Jury deliberations are underway right now in the Holly Cantrell murder trial. Cody Ketchum is accused of killing his girlfriend after finding out she was pregnant back in 2017. That trial lasted for 8 days. 2 News Oklahoma's Erin Christy is the only TV reporter to cover it from the beginning and is live in McAllister right now as we await the decision. Erin?
That's right, Karen. In a rare move, the judge did not time limit closing arguments today. So all in all, it lasted about 5 hours. The jury has now been deliberating about 3.5 hours. They have a lot to look over, a lot of conflicting testimony, and a lot of circumstantial evidence. I want to give a few examples of what they talked about in closing arguments today. For example, prosecutors reminded jurors that they heard testimony that Cody Ketchum's mom was trying to get rid of a gun around the same time Holly's remains were found in Cardinal Creek Recreational Area. The defense, though, reminded jurors that the ME gave no indication that Holly died from a gunshot wound. The defense attorney, Brecken Wagner, talked at length about there not being a motive that was proven or a real how did Holly Cantrell die that is clear. Prosecutors have been relying heavily on cell tower pings that they say are proven accurate and put Cody Ketchum in the area at the time of Holly's disappearance. There's also been a big issue with a Taco Bell receipt that had one drink order on it and food. And during that time, it was allegedly the time that Cody Ketchum was on his way to murder Holly Cantrell. The defense says that doesn't make sense. The Taco Bell was in the opposite direction. Why would he be ordering food and a drink just for himself? Prosecutors are questioning why it took years for that dated Taco Bell receipt to even turn up. The defense also hinted often at Holly's husband, Tommy Cantrell, playing a potential role in this, but prosecutors said jurors should not be considering those moments that he brought up. Tommy Cantrell did testify that he had never been to the area that he disappeared, but Tommy Cantrell's first wife also testified that she went with him to that area and that it was one of his favorite spots. Jurors also got a chance to read a lot of text messages between Holly and Cody. Prosecutors and the defense giving different theories into what those text messages could indicate. A big focus: did Cody Ketchum have enough time, physical time, to commit the crime that they allege that he did? So jurors have a lot to think about. It would not be surprising to me if we were here for quite some time tonight. In McAllister, Erin Christy, 2 News Oklahoma.
All right. Thank you very much, Erin, for your extensive coverage. Now, Ketchum is accused of first-degree murder and destroying evidence. He is facing life in prison with or without parole.